Welcome, fams. It is Zion's FX. So today I'm going to be talking about a lot of things, and the first on my list is the reason why I have not been uploading all this while. So I'm going to try as much as possible to make this video short. And I don't want to talk too much, but a lot of things happen, but I don't want to talk too much to not to bore you guys. I blew my account, the 6K account I've been trading with fundedness. I blew the account, and I went on break even. Then later on I blew it, but I didn't blew the account based on daily drawdown. I blew it based on a monthly drawdown, which is a overall drawdown. I exhausted my bullets in the account, and the account went. So since then, I wasn't happy. Anyways, I wasn't happy. No one will be happy blowing account. And after the week I built the account, so trading is not something that you'll be distracted on doing. So I have a lot of works, that I do work. So I have a lot of works orders to fulfill for my clients. So I have to just focus in order to disburse those works. So after doing that, something still happened, family issues, something that needs my urgent attention. So I have to do that also. So I just finished last week. So I decided, I was like, it has been a long time I updated my YouTube family, so I need to update you guys on what happened. This channel is based on transparency, nothing to hide. No matter anything that happens, no one is above mistake, no one is above blowing accounts. Even the almighty there, they are still blowing accounts. So but on all this while, I have been busy. I have been contemplating and reflecting on what happened, what is happening. This regime we are in now, Trump's regime, and the current economy is not funny. It's not funny anyway. So I have been doing some research, and on my research, I found out that many traders are still passing through all this. And this is my fourth year in trading, and other people that have been in this industry, let me say for about 8 years, 7 years, 8 years and above, that experienced previous Trump's regime, they said that his regime is just like this. So, and I was like, I didn't understand, but I'm beginning to understand the reason why his regime is like this, because of a lot of changes in policies and stuff like that. So, and if you should check NFPs, you see how NFP's news has been all this period. When you hear about NFP, it's all about you blew your account, or it's all about, it's either you buy a Lamborghini or you go to the village. So that is NFP. But these days, NFP is not like that. You can NFP just like is if NFP is being released, it will look like core CPI. Like sometimes it won't even, core CPI will even have more volume than NFP, except the last NFP that they released was it on, and the NFP, imagine, I have never seen NFP being released on Thursday, and that was my first NFP. That was my first time experiencing that NFP on Thursday. It was crazy. It was, and that was the NFP. That news was yeah. That news was what blew my account. Like the stop loss, that was my last trade. Like if that trade should hit stop loss, the account will go, and the account was already in profit. I was in a trade that is 1:4, 1:4. So, and the trade is already on 1:2, and I wasn't expecting that news. I didn't look at my news calendar to see. So the trade was already on 1:2, and immediately I saw a spike immediately at my opposite direction, and the next thing is that my stop loss has been triggered. I was like, what is happening? Like, there is no news today. Like I'm not expecting any kind of volatile news that is going to spike the market like this. So when I went to my news calendar to check, I saw NFP. I was like, NFP from who? Like from who? US NFP. I was expecting the NFP on Friday, and I said to myself that I'm not going to trade on Friday. I don't have good accounts, so I'm not going to trade the NFP. Behold, the NFP was waiting for me. So that was what happened. I blew the account. And that was the first time I'm experiencing that kind of NFP on Thursday. So that was it. So right now, I asked myself, why did you stop posting? So the reason why I stopped posting wasn't like I stopped posting. I have told you guys earlier, but another thing again is that I wasn't proud. You know, I started asking myself, what is really wrong with my strategy? I started asking myself, was it my strategy that is the problem, or am I the problem? Yeah, when I asked myself that question, what another thing that got to me was that during those times of trading, I have been observing myself. I have been doing what is called self-sabotaging. I've been sabotaging my strategy and my psychology as well. Yeah, I've been doing that because the uncertainty of the market has been making me to sabotage. Instead of, by the time, I don't want to just go bore you guys with a lot of stories, but yeah, I caused it. I won't lie to you guys, I caused it. Let's say mid June, the market started being stable. Then this July, the market is somehow stable, but at least the market is moving more better than January, February, March, April, May. This last 5 months has been no good. I must tell you guys. So right now, um, I've been trading, but not Profem. I've been trading live account, but not with Profems. Not with Profems. Then I have been trading my normal live account, with my broker, which allows me to trade Naira, which is SNES. So I've been doing some trading, cashing out some little change, using to do some other things. So, but I have been considering on getting another Profem account. The reason why I've not been posting just like that is I don't know if I should start posting both regular trades, my regular trades, or only Profems. My initial plan was to do Profem on this channel, like using Profem to scale up in this channel. That was my initial plan, but as things are going like this, I don't know, but I will keep on doing it. So I'm taking trading like a career and not just a short-term thing or a part-time work or a side hustle. So trading is a career to me. So I want to build something that is going to last for lifetime. So that is what I'm building. I'm not just like doing this for fun. I'm doing this as I want to, do this in terms of professionalism and to impact lives. That is the reason why. So being a trader, trying to stop a particular habit, trying to accept something is quite difficult. Trying to accept that you are wrong in the market sometimes is quite difficult. That is the most difficult thing. That is the most difficult thing in this forex trading. Trading is not all about having strategy. Trading is not all about being strong. Even the strongest, if you like, have the strongest mind, bro, trading is going to deal with you. You understand? So trading is just like a very strong mind game that you have to really, and you have to be careful with yourself. You have to be very, very careful with yourself, because if you're not careful with yourself, you might end up going in cycles, like losing and losing and losing. So, but with that, I don't know, but I'm trying. So another thing again I just need to do is just trying to get a new account. That's what I'm trying to do now, trying to get a new account. And the fact that I'm saying all these things doesn't make me strong. You know, trading can make you get exhausted. Trading can make you start doubting yourself. Trading can make you question yourself, you know. And I have really questioned myself, and I have really asked myself a lot of questions, but I can't stop. I can't. It is impossible. This is my career, like trading or nothing. So I must succeed in this and I must do it. Yeah, I must. Believe me, quitting is not in my agenda at all. Yeah, I might fall, but I will cry. After crying, I will come back again and I will do it again and again. So don't just say that because I failed, or no, stand up, bro. If you failed 10 times, stand up 11 times and do it. So you can still do it. So, and I know I can do it. That is why I'm still doing it. No. So that is it, guys. That is it, guys. I don't have any other thing to tell you guys, because I don't have any other thing to tell you guys. I don't have any other thing to tell you guys. Just the only thing is that believing in yourself, knowing what you have. I have the strategy. I have the edge. All that is remaining for me now is to master myself, is to take care of those little things that have been disturbing me, like looking in those urges, those little mistakes. What I need now is a finishing touch. Yeah, what I need now is a finishing touch, and once I am done with those finishing touch, I will start skyrocketing. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. 4 years is not 4 days. So I know what I'm saying. I just need a small little touch, which is discipline. And what I just need now is just discipline. Discipline, pure discipline. That is what I need now. So, and I believe I'm going to do it. And believe yourself, trust yourself. Please, guys, subscribe, share my videos. And if you have not been active in your trading career, in your trading journey, try as much as possible to be active. Backtest, study, make research, and you see yourself improve. See you guys. Peace out.